Okay, so the question says in which of the following examples of motion can be considered as approximately a point object. So, what is it saying? Ki you are given some examples of motion. You are given some example of motion here in the form of A, B, C, D part, and you have to identify that if the body can be considered as a point object or not. So, first to understand this question, you have to understand the concept of point object. Neither you will not, there is no point of you watching the solution of this question. So first of all, what is a point object? So if I say detailed solution of this question, what is in point object is this. But if I tell you according to this question, so first of all, the path which the body will cover should be smooth. And if we talk about the point objects question, so you would be given of body 1 context and body 2 context. So body 1 and body 2, इन दोनों का जो भी path होगा, the path of the body 1 and body 2 should be, the body 2's path should be much larger, should be larger than the body 1's path. Okay, and if I talk, if you didn't understand that yet, so we will understand it in the questions. But it is an object whose dimensions can be ignored and neglected while considering the motion. So I just told you the trick that first of all, if the path is given smooth, okay, first condition, the path is to be smooth. Second condition, the body 1 and body 2, the body 2's distance should be larger than the body 1's distance. This is the conditions that you can consider the body to be approximately a point object. First is a railway carriage of moving without jerks between two stations. So what it's saying, कि रेलवे कैरियर है जो विदाउट जग्स मूव करे बिटवीन टू स्टेशंस. नाउ नॉट दिस पॉइंट that it is moving without jugs, मतलब there is no stops between it, so hence the path is smooth. So first condition is satisfied here. Now look at the solution, that the railway carriage without jugs between two stations, so the distance between two stations is without jugs means smooth path, means first condition is satisfied. Second is the distance between two stations is considered to be large as compared to the size of the train. So it is very normal talk, it is very normal thing that the path between two stations is much greater, much larger than the size of the train. Hence the train can be considered as point of object. As we discussed, the body 2's distance, or you say length, distance, path should be greater than body 1's object. Second, it is saying that a monkey sitting on the top of man cycling smoothly on a circular track. So, a monkey is sitting on the top of man, cycling smoothly on the circular track. So, smoothly, word came here, smoothly. So, we can understand by smoothly saying means the path is smooth. So, first condition is satisfied here. So the monkey can be considered as a point object because the value of distance covered on circular track is much greater than what? It is much greater than this monkey, the size of monkey, right? Because it is only the body one. Now C part is saying a spinning cricket ball turns sharply on the hitting on the ground. Now it is saying sharply. Now sharply is opposite of smoothly, hence the first condition is not satisfied here. So it cannot considered to be as point object because the turning of ball is not smooth, thus the distance covered of the ball is not large at the reasonable time, therefore it can be considered as the point object. Next, a tumbling beaker that has slipped off the edge of the table. Now a tumbling beaker that is slipped off the edge of the table, the path is smooth, so it satisfied first condition. But if I say this is the table, this is the edge of the table, and this is the ground, and this is the jar. Consider this is the jar. When this jar will fall, so if this is the table and this is the jar, or consider this is the jar, so it is not much distance or much difference between the path of the body 1 and body 2. Hence, it cannot be considered as point object, and this is written in the answer that the tumbling beaker slipped off the edge of the table cannot be considered as the point object because distance covered is not much larger. Hence, this was your question. Thank you.